Hey guys, so I thought that I would restart my fat burn cheat code series, a series where I teach you how to burn fat efficiently. This is going to be a 30 episode series. First, you want to set your goal on what you want to do, whether that's weight loss, typically that's a cut, or a bulk, where you're looking to get a badonkadonk, or recomposition. You want to lose 10 to 15 pounds of body fat while simultaneously growing a badonkadonk. There's also lean gains, which is similar to recomposition, but you're more focusing on gaining the muscle aspect. There's eating for health and so many other goals that have to be customized to you. So don't go stealing somebody else's goal. Now that being said, when you're setting up goals, you want to follow the SMART protocol, or SMARTER. S means specific, so you want to be specific with your goal. Do you want to lose weight because you want to feel confident? M means measurable. So how are you going to measure this goal? Is it down 15 pounds? Are you looking to gain inches on your butt? A is attainable. Is this goal attainable for you? Is this something that you could actually achieve? Don't be looking at me saying that you want to get rid of your hip dips, because that's impossible and that's genetics. R means realistic. Now, is this goal realistic for you to achieve? Are you looking to drop 50 pounds in 1 week? And T is for time efficient. Can you set this goal for 3 months, 2 months, 1 month? Whatever it is, you have to set a timeline for it. E is for evaluate, and R is for readjust. At the end of your goal, once you've hit it, you want to reevaluate how you did and readjust your goal if needed. Most of all, think about the why. Why do you even want to do this in the first place? If you guys want to learn more weight loss tips, make sure to follow my Fat Burn Cheat Code series. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. I will be giving you all the information without gatekeeping. But if you want coaching, link in bio.